So the time has finally come to take apart old Subi, take apart the new Subi, and swap everything over. I have some parts over there. I have a bunch of parts right here. We're gonna box everything later once everything's going back together, but that's all a bunch of new stuff. Got some Mishimoto, Cobb, IAG, White Line, ACT, some more stuff. Got a part from Subaru there. We'll talk about that later. Clutch fork, etc. So right now I actually have most of the parts from the red car sold. I listed it about a week or two ago. So right now I'm just pulling a few things off just to get them to some customers. Then I'm going to get the car inside, start dropping the motor, start pulling out the interior, get everything apart, and see where we go from there. Alright, so car's on the lift. I've been slowly taking some parts off. Like I got the intercooler off right here. I have the intake off. I sold the radiator with the fans, but I have a bunch of people coming by to buy certain things. So I'm pulling them as I go. But the way I'm going to go about pulling it is I'm going to drop this entire drivetrain down, front and rear, lift the shell off, roll the drivetrain out. And then the plan after that is I'm gonna have the shell on dollies and I'm gonna put it back here on the side of the shop, and then gonna drive the black car in and pull that apart. But the first thing I'm gonna take apart is the interior, since I have to swap both harnesses since I don't feel like splicing the wires, and I have a manual car already, so I can just swap it over. Take apart the interior, so I'm gonna get those seats out because I'm changing my seats. I'm putting my entire interior in because the black is way better than the tan. So we're gonna start with the interior.
Down to what's going on. Come on. This shit, everything is getting the fuck out of here, including the roof.
Uh-oh, we got trouble.
What's up? I pooped in the floor.
Come on.
Oh. And you rubbed it in?
Yeah. I thought it would hide it.
Oh, it didn't.
It was dark. I thought the carpet was dark. It was yesterday. While you guys were moving the piano,
That's disgusting.
I snuck over and shitted.
How does it make you feel?
It's pretty gross.
You should smell it.
Are you gonna go smell it?
Oh, look who's FaceTiming me.
Who is it?
What's up, buddy?
Hey, buddy. What the hell you doing?
Well, we're recording the video, but I was eating a mac and cheese bowl and I wanted to show you so you'd be jelly of me.
Oh, you're a dick.
Are you gonna have a fun day at work today?
No.
Yeah, you are, man.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna have a horrible time because it's Saturday and I work with all the freaks.
Dude, the people you work with are very cute.
No, they're not.
Well, alright, buddy, I just wanted to show you my mac and cheese bowl, but I already ate it.
Alright, well, why don't you buy me one and then when I get back from work I can eat it?
What are you talking about when you get back from work? I'll buy you one.
What do you mean? You buy me mac and cheese?
You heard this
and I'll
guy?
eat it.
This guy's ridiculous, isn't he?
What are you doing, buddy?
Struggling to get this door panel off.
Too weak?
No. Ow. Ow. Oh, come on, it's so close. You know what? I'm gonna take a break and get you that fork thing. Shut up. It's going pretty well.
My foot!
Sorry.
Take it off. Oh, you know how you have to take it off? You pop this cap off right here.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that cap. That'd been way
You see
easier.
the airbag cap over there?
Yeah.
You pop that out and then you just hit it with the fucking whatever side.
Shit! You're living in there, buddy.
Yeah. But it's starting to hurt leaning on this. Give me the 10 mil. It's a 10 mil, right? Yeah. Give me the impact. No. Wait, no, it's not gonna fit. Well, guess I'm using the big ratchet. Would you give me the ratchet, you freak? You give me the. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this big boy. God bless America.
Why did you say that?
God bless America, that's why. And then,
You're really using your big brain here.
thanks. Would have been better if you used my brain by taking off that airbag cap, but you know, live and we learn. Oh, my butt hurts so bad on this.
Because it's just about cracked?
No, it's because it's a ginormous butt. It can't fit on this.
In the Red Legacy right now. I'm gonna finish up where Gab and Frank left off. Only things we have to get off is this back lid, the rear belts, front belts, headliner, and some of the trims, and then the dash and everything is gonna get done in the garage once I have the black car apart, so I can just grab it from that car and put it straight into this car. I've been told that this upper deck lid is a pain in the ass, so I figured out a way to do it pretty easily. Got these two out. I'm gonna pop this one back in just to show you. Well, couldn't get them back in, but if you look at them, they have these two tabs. Essentially, you just want to push them in and then pry the flat head right here. Push them in and then lift it up, and then to get the rear out, you just slide it forward and it all comes off as one. So the little seatbelt plastic surrounds are also the same way as the hooks covers. So you just push this in and you lift it up, push that in, lift it up, and then pop it out. It's done. Same thing over here. Push in, lift up, push in, lift up, pop out. Next is a headliner. Popped the little tabs out already. Now we just gotta take all the screws out of this, the lights up here, the visors, and then we can get all that off. Alright, so everything's off. I'm gonna get out the car, drop the headliner because there's definitely crap up there. Alright, so now everything's out of the car. Only thing left is to take the carpet out.